In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to fix 404 errors if you have the Yoast SEO Premium plugin. If you do have the Premium plugin, when you go to the SEO tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard, you can go to Search Console. You will see a list that looks like this. It has connected with the Search Console and downloaded any problems that the Search Console found. So here under Desktop, these are the links that are not found, it says right here. The server error links are some other ones, and there's one other error, and there's explanations behind the question marks. Now, the most important thing for most of us is the smartphone, feature phone, all the phone settings, the mobile settings. So I would recommend doing that first. There are 18 on this site that need to be corrected. So this is how we do that. Well, first of all, we need to make sure that it's actually broken. So we're going to right click, open the link in a new tab, and this is showing not found. So what we'll do on all of the ones that are not found is go create a redirect. We will find the content that is deleted, content deleted. 410, mark as fixed, so it will also be fixed in the Google Search Console, and click redirect. Now let's say that we actually want to view this link and it's not found. So what we're going to do is search for it, and it looks like there is a recipe. It just doesn't have the right URL. So let's click through and get the right URL. We're going to go in here, we're going to create another redirect, but this time instead of content deleted, it will be moved permanently. You don't need to put your domain name. This is a relative URL. It just starts with the first slash after the .com. You put that in here, and now we fix this one. Mark it as fixed, create redirect, and this one goes away and we can work on the next one. So here's the quick 4 steps. First, you view it. Then you search for it. Then if you find it, you get the URL. And now you can create your redirect. You paste it in here without the domain name, and it's moved permanently. If you actually deleted the post, you just click content deleted, mark it as fixed, create redirect, all done.